Alright, so here's the issue I've been having with my 2003 E46. 2 months ago I installed a CompuStar alarm system. I got it installed at a shop. Sorry, that was 3 months ago now, and I've had no issues the whole time. Yesterday my front right blinker went out, and at the same time this issue started. My rear lights are showing that there's a problem with them, bulbs burnt out or something. When I turn on my left turn signal and my lights are set to auto, my left turn signal flashes. My daytime running slowly blinks. It's not a big issue. My front left is blinking and my front right is blinking. My side marker, only the one I asked to blink, is blinking. And the same thing happens when I turn on my right, pretty much. I'm not going to walk around. Although when I set my switch to either this position or this position, those rear daytime running lights also start flashing out of control, along with the blinkers. Alright, if anyone knows anything about this issue and has some advice, please let me know. Thank you.